What's up, Car Rev 3 fam? Today we're diving into a ride Subaru fans have been waiting on for years. Yeah, you guessed it, the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid. And let me tell you, Subaru finally gave this little crossover the juice it needed. First things first, power. The old Crosstrek hybrids were kinda, let's be real, underwhelming. But now, Subaru dropped in a setup that cranks out 194 horsepower. That's not crazy sports car power, but for a compact hybrid SUV, it's a big step up. Plus, you're getting that classic Symmetrical AWD, the real Subaru sauce that makes these rigs stick to the road in rain, snow, or dirt trails. Now, let's talk mileage. Subaru says the Crosstrek Hybrid is good for around 36 mpg combined, which means you can road trip, daily commute, or hit those weekend camping runs without sweating gas money too much. That's the whole vibe here. More power, less pain at the pump. Slide inside and Subaru finally brought the tech game. We're talking a clean 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, a big 11.6-inch touchscreen running the latest infotainment, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can plug in without plugging in. They also threw in some unique hybrid badging and interior touches, so it doesn't just feel like a regular Crosstrek with batteries bolted in. On the road, it still feels like a Crosstrek, which means comfy, easy to live with, and confidence-inspiring when the weather gets sketchy. But with the extra torque from the hybrid setup, it finally feels like it can hang in traffic instead of lagging behind. Subaru basically fixed the biggest complaint everyone had. And here's the kicker. Pricing isn't official yet, but expect it to slot a little above the gas model, somewhere in the mid-30K range, which makes it competitive with other small hybrid SUVs. Not dirt cheap, but very Subaru. Practical, no nonsense, and built for folks who actually use their cars. So, bottom line, the 2026 Crosstrek Hybrid finally feels like the hybrid that should have existed years ago. More power, better efficiency, and still the Subaru toughness that buyers want. Alright, Car Rev 3 fam, I gotta know, would you daily the Crosstrek Hybrid, or would you still stick with the gas model? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you like these quick, no-fluff reviews, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's next. We keep it rolling fast right here.